Hello guys, are you having issues linking your Nigerian debit card into your PayPal account? Are you having issues linking your ATM card into your PayPal account so that you can be able to, withdraw money to your bank and use all the full features of PayPal? Well, if you've had that issue or you've run into that issue, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily link your Nigerian debit card into your PayPal account without stress, without the risk of being banned by PayPal. All right, so in our last video also I showed you how you could open a PayPal account in Nigeria without having to use VPN or without having to use forged document and all of that. 100% verified. So if you saw that video and you opened the account, this video here is going to show you how you can link your card to the account you opened. Okay, so if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to Learn with Austin. In this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to start, how to grow, and how to scale your online business from zero to a hero level without no money, without no stress, without no, I'm also going to be showing you different ways that you can use to generate passive income, different income streams that you can explore to make money online. So do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to comment, do well to share this video if you see it on your screen. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's quickly log in through the PayPal homepage. So you just come to the paypal.com page, then you click on login. Alright, so quickly log into your account. Okay. Alright, so this is our PayPal that we created together in the last video. So this is it. So it's still working for people that are doubting. It's still working. Nothing is blocked. Nobody's going to block your account unless you do fraudulent activities on the account. Alright, so this is our PayPal. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the PayPal, you see this orange flag. Alright, so the orange flag will tell you to link and confirm my debit or credit card. So if you click on the see more details, alright, you're going to now link your card. I've tried to link my card before, but I realized that my camera wasn't on, so that's why it's like this. But I'll show you how to do it from scratch, so you don't have to worry about missing any step. Alright, let me go back. So if you there's another way you can get to this link your PayPal stuff. Alright, if you don't want to go through this, you don't want to go through the setup here, you can as well just come under your settings page. So just click on your name. Alright, so if you click on your name, just come to your account settings. So just on your account setting, just go over to the side menu. Alright, you see money, bank and cards. So you click on money, bank and cards. Okay, so this is the money, bank and cards. So this is here you do most of your connection. Alright, most of your setup, your linking of your account, linking of a bank and all of that. Alright, so as you can see, this is unverified. I didn't complete the verification. Alright, so we're going to do that together now. But if you haven't done anything about linking of a card before and you're starting from scratch, there's really no much difference. So if you click on link a card, it's still going to be the same pop-up. Alright, so just put in your card details. Just come here, put in your card details. Automatically, the system will select your card type. Even if it doesn't, you can also just click on this drop down and choose your card type. It could be Visa or MasterCard for us that are in Nigeria. If you're in America and if you're in any other country, you can choose either Discover or American Express. Alright, so you put your expiry dates, then you put your security code. Security code is the number found at the back of your ATM card. Your address will automatically be picked from your account. You can also choose to add a new address. Then when you're done, you click on link card. So let me continue from the other card I didn't finish up with, so that we can do it together. Okay, so let me edit. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using my Access Bank dollar card. Access Bank dollar card. Alright. So I've already put in my card details and I've clicked on link card. So this is the next page that should come up after you put in your card details and you click on link card. So PayPal will send you a confirmation code to your phone, and PayPal will also charge you. So if you are trying to link your card, you have to make sure that you have money in your card. Okay, you have to make sure you have at least 3,000 naira in your card, because PayPal will charge you $1.95. That's over like $2, all right, in your card. So make sure you have at least 3K in your card so that the thing doesn't bounce back. All right, so that it doesn't bounce back. And aside from having money in your card, always make sure that you're using a card that is not expired. So look at your expiry date and confirm that your card is still very valid. Okay, so if you have all these confirmations, just go ahead to link your card. So when you're on this page, after you clicked on link your card from the card details page, come over to this place and click on confirm your card. Okay, see, this is what they say. Want to use your PayPal account with no spending or withdrawal limits? Confirm your card. Alright, so we're going to click on this confirm your card. Okay, so PayPal is going to charge us. As you can see, look for a small charge on your card. After you request a code, we will charge you $1.95 to your card. It usually appears within 5 to 7 business days. After you confirm it, we will refund the amount. So they are trying to confirm if this card is actually working. Alright, so this money they are going to refund it to you, but at least you should have it just so this confirmation goes through. Alright, so let's click on get code. Alright, so we should be on the lookout for this code. Alright, so like you see on the screen, a code is on its way. It should appear on your card statement within 5 to 7 business days. Alright, so I'll just click on done. Alright guys, so I just got the debit alert from my bank for the verification, and yes, the code is in it. So let me quickly log onto my bank app. Alright, so here is my Access Bank app. Alright, here is the debit alert for the $1.95 transaction. Okay, so just under the transaction narration, you are going to see this pin. Okay, so carefully make sure you have this pin. So let's just go over to PayPal to verify this account. So I'm just going to click on edit. Okay, so I'm going to click on enter the code to confirm your card. Alright, so I'm going to put in this code. So it's 9490. Okay, awesome. Your Art Culture BMC main card debit has been confirmed. Alright, so this is how to link your debit card into your PayPal account. Alright, so it's easy and it's straightforward. There's no magic, there's no too much stress. Okay, just quickly follow these simple steps that I showed you and you'll be able to link your card easily and effectively. So I made another video on how you can maintain and how you can keep your account running for years without having it locked or banned. There are 7 strategies, 7 things you must do to keep your PayPal account active and running. Alright, I'm going to share it in the next video, so make sure to watch it.